Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can bypass cap, dice and Monopoly Go. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your BlueStacks application on your PC and access its settings. Now inside settings, go over to phone tab and change the device to anything you like and then just save it. After changing the device, close the settings app and open up your settings inside BlueStacks. Go over to storage and then select games and the Monopoly Go app will be there. Click on it, select clear cache and then clear its data. It will delete all of your account details and log you out of your Monopoly Go account. After that, start the recording and click on play along with it. Now launch the Monopoly Go app and that's it. This is basically how you can bypass cap dice on Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.